Alright, so for this one, you're just going to start with your index finger on the first fret of the G, middle finger second fret of the D, and you're going to pluck A, D, and G. So you're going to just repeat that. Then you're going to take that shape and move it up one string, and then you're going to pluck from the low E string. You just go back and forth. Alright. So then when you get to the chorus, you're going to play an A major 7. So you're going to set your index finger here on the 5th fret of the B, middle finger 6th fret of D, ring finger 6th fret of G. And you're going to strum from the A string down. And if you accidentally get the higher strings, the higher E string open, that sounds okay. So the strum pattern's pretty simple. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then you're going to go to an E major 7. So you set your index finger 7th fret of the A, ring finger 9th fret of the D, and then your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G. And again, if you're kind of getting that B and high string open, I think it sounds fine. So you got So I hope this lesson was helpful. If you're having trouble strumming songs like this one, check out my free course on my website. I'll put a link in the description for you. I'll see you on the next video.